Hi, welcome to another video of Discounts series. In this video we will get Adobe Creative Apps Coupon Code 2023. So, before we start you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from CB9 in future. First of all, go to craftail.pk website and click on Deals and Coupons. Link is in description. On Coupons page you will find all coupons and stores details. Here find your favorite store which you want or click on See All Stores. On All Stores pages find Adobe and open it. Here you will find all Adobe products coupon. Find the Creative Cloud coupon under Popular Coupons tab. Here you will find Creative Cloud app detail. Now click on Grab this deal now button. Here you will find Creative Cloud up to 30% off tab. Click on that and complete your purchase. Through this you will get Creative Cloud at low price. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe CB9 channel.